In this video, we're going to take a look at the 9 different solutions you can try to fix the Android phone battery showing the question mark and not turning on. So right here, showing the question mark and it is not turning on. So I'm trying to charge it at the moment. It's still showing the question mark. So the first step or the first solution is to check the charging cable and your charging adapter. Make sure you have a good working charging adapter and it is compatible with your device. Make sure the output voltage is high enough for your phone. Also make sure you use the correct charging cable, not just simply any cable. So best if you are using a proper charging cables that is comes together with the phone. So check the cable. So you can also try to use a different USB cable and a charging brick. Make sure the cable fits snugly and there's no damage or debris in the port. So make sure there's no damage to the cable in the charging port. Make sure it's nice and clean, no dirt or debris. So here, check inside, make sure there's no dirt or debris. If there is, you can use a toothpick and try to clean it. So step 2 would be try to inspect the charging port and give it a good clean. So use a dry toothbrush, a soft brush, or a wooden toothpick and gently remove lint or dust from the charging port. Do not use any metal objects that may cause damage to the charging pin. Okay, solution number 3 is to try and use a wireless charger. So just simply plug in. If your phone supports wireless charger, then try to use the wireless charger to charge your Android phone. So here it is now charging and showing the charging battery. So try to use the wireless charger to see if that works. Just wait for maybe 30 minutes. Here, after charging briefly, it shows a question mark. That's okay. Just wait for some time and see how you go. Okay, so solution number 4 would be plug the charger into your device. Okay, so we plug this in to the phone. After you have a good clean of the device, it might show the question mark, and that is okay. Just leave it charge and plug in for at least 30 to 60 minutes. Even if the question mark appears, just leave it plug in. The battery may be deeply discharged and needs time to reach a minimum charge. Okay, so step number 5 is to perform a force reboot. So what you want to do is to hold down the power button right there, and volume down for 15 to 20 seconds. So press and hold on both buttons. So on Android phone, press and hold it for 15 seconds. See how you go. If the phone vibrates and the logo appear, so here you can see if the phone vibrates and the logo appears, release the buttons. So here shows some information. Start, so you can use the volume up or down, power off, barcode, rescue mode, recovery mode. I'm just going to zoom in so you can see the different mode. It shows right here, recovery mode, restart bootloader, start. So you may go into recovery mode. And here shows no command. Once you are in Android recovery, you can try to wipe data or factory reset if you have no data on it. If you have important data, probably not best idea to reset your device straight away. We can try to graphic test, mount system, apply update to SD card. We can try to reboot the system now and see if that reboot. So the phone is now starting up. Okay, so that seemed to work. Okay, I don't seem to remember the password to this device, but you can see it's booting up, but it still has the battery issues, but at least now it's booting up. It's a problem reading your battery meter. So the step 6 would be to boot into recovery mode by holding the power and volume up button or volume down depending on the Android device. And you want to try to enter recovery mode. If successful, select reboot system now. So step number 7 would be check the battery if removable. If your Android phone supports removable battery, you want to remove it and check the battery, try to reinsert it and try to power on again. Step number 8 is to connect to a computer or USB power. So plug your phone into a PC or a power bank using a quality charging cable. Sometimes slower charging helps the device recover. So you might to attempt to have a slow charging. And finally, if that doesn't help, then the solution number 9 is to replace the battery or visit a repair center. So if all else fails, the battery or charging circuit may be damaged. So you need to visit an authorized service center, fight for a diagnostics and or battery replacement. So it could be the battery is old and you need to replace a new battery. And that's it. So those are the 9 different steps that you can try to fix a battery showing a question mark on your Android phone. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.